power source is this way. My extractor should work on this door, just like before. That thing has shields. Maybe my charge shot can knock him out. Come on! Over here, Mac! Up there! Look! The power source! It's some kind of core. If we get closer to it, I bet I can grab it with my extractor. Ow! Dang it! Well, I guess we'll have to do this the hard way. We need to get that core. Let's do this, Mac! Healing itself. The only way we're gonna beat it is to pull out the core. Gotta do more damage. It keeps healing itself. The only way we're gonna beat it is to pull out the core. The only way we're gonna beat it is to pull out the core. Gotcha! This is the power source we've been tracking?
never seen a core like this before. Have you, Mac? All the colors are mixed together. Oh, come here, boy. Let me see that leg. Doesn't look too bad, but I won't be able to fix it here. Can you make it back to the crawler? Okay. Let's go home.
All right, Mac. We got what we came for. Let's head back to the crawler. Huh. Guess the core was linked to the local security system. Yep, there's our crawler. Home sweet home. Ugh, more rogue core bots. Don't let them near the crawler.
Double-thick hull and redundant systems throughout. We built them to last. Of course, no one thought they'd need to last this long.
Hope this works. Weird. Doesn't look like it lost any energy at all.
Hey, kiddo. If you get this message before you go to sleep, sweet dreams. If not, wake up already. It's been 200 years. Listen, I just wanted to tell you I've got a little more work to do here. But they're holding a space for me on the next evacuation fleet. And I'll meet you on Far Eden, just like I promised. Don't worry, Jewel. Everything's going according to plan.
I know, Mac. Nothing is going according to plan. I mean, look. The pylon in the next sector is offline. Now that we've got power, we can unlock the gate, go over there and check it out. But this report says the pylon's been offline for 96 years? So why didn't we wake up right when the problem started? We're the closest maintenance team, right? What happened, Dad? are you? And where's everybody else? Come on, Mac. I'll get you fixed up. And then we both need to fix that pylon.